So what's your favorite food? Yummy, can't hear you. What size?
Dream monster. The monster was very big. Baku.
面线. Alright. Okay, noodle today. Got it. Excuse me. Alright, so let's come back to science. Okay. So today we're going to learn about what is reversible change, what is not reversible change. Okay. Since we have learned this before, can both of you give me one example of something that is reversible change? What can change?
Sure, what is weak?
Sorry? What is?
Is weak. W-I-C-K.
Weak. Okay. Is this weak that you are referring? Okay. Is this weak for you referring? Okay. So candle weak. Where you saw the word weak? Was it there just now? Oh, I see here. Okay, basically, yeah. Okay. So basically over here, there's like a string kind of thing. Okay, that is called the wick. Okay, can you see? This is the wick. So the wick is normally in the middle of candle. Okay, because wick is the one that can flame, while candle is the one that actually so that slow down the flame to burn it off. Just like a match, it's like for a while it's finished, right? But why candle it can last so long is because of the wax. Okay, so the wick is the one that is helping the burning, while the wax is the one that's slowing down the flame. Okay, got it? Okay, so let us go through what is reversible change and what is irreversible change. Reversible change means that it can reverse. You know what it means by reverse now? It's like sometimes daddy mommy driving halfway, then they say like, oh, reverse, reverse. What does reverse mean? Go backwards. Okay, means that you can undo and redo it back. Means reverse it back. Okay, so like for example, you boil the water, now the water become hot. But can you reverse back to the original? Yes, you just leave it at the room temperature. It will reverse back. Got it? That's called reversible change. Means you can redo it. Irreversible change is something cannot change. Okay, cannot redo it back. Like for example, yep.
Is it redo on computer? Is it?
What do you mean?
Is it the computer redo is like this?
Yeah, correct. Okay, normally redo and undo is just one left or right side. Okay. So let me go through with you on a video about reversible. Okay. So reversible change and irreversible change can be chemical or physical change. Today I'll go into details about physical and chemical change.
Who's ready to hatch some cool pets? Click here to make your very own monster on Adapted. Hmm? Hmm?
Aha.
Ah.
Okay. So where physical change is just the physical appearance change, but the internal it doesn't change.
Ah.
So this is an ice. When the ice melted, okay, do you think it's a physical change or a chemical change? It's just a physical change because it is still water. It doesn't change anything.
Ah. Yeah.
Okay, so you see when this plate is broken, it is still the same piece of glass, so it doesn't change anything. It's still
Yes.
just a physical change.
Ah. New fairy coins are here with magical heart glitter. Rainbow corn fairy coins.
Now you see, when you see it changes the thing, like burning with the wood, you see from brown color, it did not just physically change into black. It's a chemical change because you see the taste, the look, the substance, everything inside changes. So this is called chemical change. So when the wood turns into the charcoal, this is called chemical change.
Is it 煤炭？
对，它 Okay, normally when it touches the fire, it is normally chemical change. Not all the time, but most of the time. You see here, when we light up a match, like combustion means it's burning. Okay, combustion reaction takes place. So this is called chemical change.
Ah. Mm.
Okay, so do you understand the difference between chemical change and physical change? Okay, let me go through two parts of things with you today. Okay, changes, there's two types of changes here. Okay, so first line, there's two types. Okay, what is called reversible change and irreversible change. Okay, so reversible change, like, is for example, is like hot water change to cold water. Why is it reversible change? Because hot can turn to cold, cold can come back to hot. So it can reverse anytime with the same material. Irreversible change means that it cannot change. Like for example, a cooked egg. The egg, you can cook it, but once after you cook already, it cannot change back to uncooked. There's no way, it's one direction. So it's called irreversible change. The other type of change, what we learned today, is called physical change and chemical. Okay. Okay. Physical change means that you just change the physical appearance, like a broken plate. Okay. So the plate broken is just physical. Is it still a plate? Yes, it is. It's just into pieces. All right. But chemical change, it changes into a totally different thing. Like for example, the wood turn into charcoal. It's totally different thing already. Okay, so this is what we call the chemical change. So even this physical change and chemical change can be reversible and non-reversible. Like broken plate, reversible or not reversible? You can't reverse back because it's broken, so no matter how you stick, it's going to be different. Wood and charcoal, it is irreversible as well because when you turn it charcoal, there's no way you can turn it back to wood. Understand the differences with reversible, non-reversible, physical, and chemical. Any question here so far?
No.
Okay. Okay. If no questions, let's try to do over here. Let's try to do it together. Okay, what is reversible change? Again, it's very small. I'm sending you the link. Okay. Can I give you 2 minutes to do question number 1 first? Okay, then we'll discuss. Try to do question number 1, A, B, C, D. I go for a quick toilet break. Okay, anyone done? Anyone done? Anyone would like to share screen? Jesse, go ahead. Let me allow. Okay, then share screen. Wow, everything so fast. Okay, let's just go through. Joanna, you are done until which question? Joanna, you have done until which question? Can we discuss? Okay, let's just go through. Okay, so what is reversible change? Okay, reversible, so it can be reversed. Irreversible means cannot be reversed. Understand? Joanna, can you reply me something? I don't know what you understand, what you understand. What are you doing? Okay, two examples of reversible change, like ice melting, water evaporating. Pretty much the example I gave just now. Irreversible change means the cake, like the egg and the flour combined together become cake. But once it becomes cake, you cannot separate it back to become egg and flour. So this is irreversible change. Chicken, when it's raw, you roast it, can eat. Then after you roast it, you cannot make it back to raw. So that is irreversible change. Good. So this is a flame. This string is called wick, liquid wax, solid wax.
Teacher, I done already.
Okay. Any of it got wrong? Or all correct?
Have wrong.
Okay. All right. So you have done already. How about we let Joanna share, so we can see where she go wrong. Can you share so you know where to go wrong?
This side, this side, this side. This is liquid mass. This is solid mass.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Let me explain the liquid and solid power.
Okay, I give you the remote control.
Yes, please. Thank you. Okay, let me explain this a while. Okay, 因为 when this is hot, right? So this is still melty. So that's why here is still liquid. When underneath fall down already, right? Then it's cold already. Cold already, it will become hard. So that's why quite solid. Understand? Because it's hot and not hot.
This get cold and it will become solid already.
Yes. Okay. Like in September, that's where the Tanglong Festival, right? Okay. During the Tanglong Festival, you're playing the lantern with the candle, right? You try when it drip. Okay, when it's hot, you drip, right? You melt. It drip on the floor. What happened on the floor? What happened to the wax on the floor? Is it hard or liquid?
Hard.
Hard. That's why it's solid. Understand?
Understand. Remember this.
Okay. Let's go through one by one.
Because of his, my pen was causing me.
So this cutting paper is breaking glass. Okay. Breaking glass, what's your answer? Reversible or irreversible? You key in reversible, is it? Let's see. Okay. Let's say, for example, you break the glass. Can you stick back the glass now? Cannot. So can you reverse back to normal? Cannot. That's why it's not reversible, irreversible. Understand?
But I click irreversible.
Jensen, can I? Yours is Jensen. Yours is reversible or irreversible? Where are you, Jensen? Jensen, your breaking glass is reversible or irreversible?
Oh, not same as mine, the wrong one.
Huh?
Same as mine, the wrong one.
Can you share yours again?
Okay, I stop sharing.
Okay. It's reversible. Jensen, can you explain why you say it's reversible?
And recycle and then
Okay, understood. Okay, the glass when you break it is not fixable again. However, what Jensen say is correct. Okay, you can recycle and make back new glass. Understand? Okay, that's why it's reversible. Same goes to cutting paper. Okay, the rust on the bike, actually you can polish, then it can go back to normal. Do you know that? Okay, later I'll show you a video on how to polish the rust away. Okay, the rest all, do you understand?
understand.
Okay, so now I'll share the screen about.
But I don't know. But I don't know why break.
Which question?
I don't know. Breaking a pencil. Why is it reversible?
Same problem. The wood. Okay, wood you can actually blend it to wood chips again and combine back together again because it's recycle item.
Oh.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to share with you on the rust part. Okay, let's watch a video about rust. Okay, I'll have two sessions here. One session is why it rusts, then the second is how to delete rust. So metal rust only happen on metal due to oxidization. So why the robot will become ugly is because of rust, because it's made of metal. So there are two main things that causes it to rust. Okay, one is the water vapor, which is water, and the other one is the oxygen. That's why when we put our bicycle outside the house, it'll spoil faster, it will rust. But when we put it inside the house, we have aircon, we have fan, the air is drier. That's why it will not rust as fast as you put it outside. Okay, so rust is due to two factors, water and oxygen. So you see, rust only occurs when iron is exposed to oxygen and the air. You see the air blow, 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 then the water then drop, 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 then it becomes rust. Okay. So the equation for rusting is iron plus with oxygen plus with water or water vapor, and then finally it'll turn to iron oxide, which is rust.
I don't believe this.
Okay, so let me share with you another video. Okay, how to remove rust. In this video.
Incredibly easy ways to return it to its former glory. Follow these tips and watch your items shine like new. As always, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join us on the bright side of. Try any exotic methods or purchase expensive chemicals to get rid of rust. A common ingredient in your kitchen packs such a high acidic content that it can melt rust away. Soak the item in white vinegar for at least 10 minutes. Using vinegar is a great method if you have small items that can be soaked, like earrings, screws, knives, and hand tools. Check the item after 10 minutes. Depending on the amount of rust and the delicacy of the item, it could take a few minutes or a full day for the vinegar's acidity to penetrate the rust. When your item comes out, it could be completely rust-free, or it might need a little scrub with a soft brush to finish the cleaning process. For bigger items, try soaking a rag in vinegar and then wrapping it around the item. Let it sit for several minutes. The white vinegar method works best for delicate items that require a gentle approach. Number 6. Lemon. If you really don't care for scrubbing or the high acidity in vinegar and prefer a more natural approach, using lemon juice is the way to go. Rub some coarse salt on the rusted areas of the object. Once it's fully coated, pour some lemon juice on it. Now, let it soak for no more than 2 hours. If it soaks for any longer, it might damage your item. Then, scrub the mixture off and rinse. The awesome thing about using lemon is that it also works to get rid of rust stains on fabrics, clothes, car seats, rugs, and so on. In this case, pour a bit of lemon juice on the stain and follow that up by sprinkling cream of tartar in powder form. The citrus content won't just get rid of the stain.
So you see from the video, it's that you notice the rust, you can actually scrape off. So because it can actually scrape off, so it is actually a reversible change. Understand? Okay. So I have sent the link to you as well, so in case you want to watch. Okay, so today we have finished about reversible and irreversible change, as well as chemical and physical change. Okay, so tomorrow, I'm going to give you some quiz. All right? Any questions? Okay, that's all for today. Bye.